To do. Jackie Pascal is our top priority. After what her sister did 3 years ago, she needs to take Major too. Jackie is a legacy. The plan is to get her asleep. That's the only way this will work. Inception is planting an idea into a person's subconscious while they sleep. You need to make sure she eats the rancher. Once she's out, we're on.
Swim goggles? Dude, I even tweeted at you and hashtagged ski goggles.
Juliet! Juliet! Romeo! Romeo! Wherefore art thou merge?
Merge? Who's Merge?
What broadcast Bible? What is this? NX cam? What? This isn't my script.
Cut! Guys, take a 5-minute break. You're off topic.
Thanks.
Hello everyone, today in career class we will be learning broadcasting.
This is the Sony NX cam. It's used in broadcasting to shoot films and videos. In the broadcasting class, there are certain levels. There's minor, major 1, and major 2. Take this time to go look at books about the career.
Hello? Where am I?
Welcome to the studio, Jackie. This is the home of broadcasting. The best class you will ever take. Here, we will teach you how to use the editors and the equipment in the studio. Also, how to film with the cameras. But, you'll have to start at the beginning.
Okay, welcome to Minors. Check your schedule to make sure you're in the right class.